Leena
So,
Kish.
so what shall I call you out of these three names?
No problem, Leena. You can call me.
Can I call you Lena? All right.
Yes, no
All right,
problem.
Lena. All right. So first of all, welcome to English Talkie. I guess today is your first session.
Yes, yes. Today is my first demo session.
Very well, very well. So welcome to English Talkie's first session. My name is Mayank Sharma, and I'll be your tutor for today.
Okay,
All
thank
right.
you. Where you
All right.
are?
I'm sorry.
From where you are?
All right. From where? Oh, I'll tell you. Don't worry. I'm from New Delhi. Currently, I'm living in New Delhi. Yeah, and I'm a law student also.
No.
Yeah, I'm a law student.
I have also completed my BSL course.
Sorry, your which course?
BSL, after 12th, we are completing our 3 years, so we got the certificate. After 12th, when we will take the admission in law course, okay,
Okay.
so it will call the LLB. But I have completed 3 years, so we can call it BSL, Bachelor of Social Law.
All right. All right. All right. I didn't know about that. That's good.
So I have completed my BSL, means Bachelor of Social Law, after 12th, when we are taking the admission in the law.
Okay.
After 12th, and when we will complete the 3 years, then will get that certificate of BSL.
All right. That's great. That's really great. So you've done that.
Do you know 5 years course? Maybe you have taken after graduation.
Yeah, I graduated last year. Now I've taken admission in the 3-year course, 3-year LLB.
After graduation, it is 3 years, and after 12th, it is 5 years course.
Yes, yeah. Very well, very well. So obviously, so we are on the same page, right? All right, Lena. So let me just tell you how is it going to be. So this is the first session, right? So we'll have a casual conversation with each other. I'll ask you some questions, and you at the end you can also ask me a few questions.
Okay.
All right. So first of all, I want you to introduce yourself to me. I want to know everything. Obviously, I know your name, the place you are from, what you're currently doing, your hobbies, your interest, and anything about your family. Everything. I want to know everything. Come on, start.
Okay, my name is Leena. As you know that I am from Maharashtra, Pune. Do you know Maharashtra, Pune? As
Obviously, I know
I,
Maharashtra, Pune.
by profession, I am teacher. I'm married.
That's good. That's good. So you told me you're a teacher by profession.
Yeah,
So what do you teach?
English and SST subject.
English and SST. So at school level or higher?
School level, yes, school level.
School level. So you're English teacher and SST teacher. So which class do you really do you normally teach?
Until 9th, 10th.
Till ninth. So all right, that's great. That SST teacher and English teacher. All right. So do you want to tell me anything about your hobbies and interests?
Actually, my hobbies nowadays, I have started my YouTube channel. Recently, I have started
Okay.
it. So whatever I have, I want to share my knowledge through YouTube channel.
Okay. Okay. So do you also like record these classes and upload that these on YouTube? Right?
Yes, yes. Can I? Can
Yeah.
I catch?
Yeah, I've seen a lot of students actually doing this. At least I guess around 4 to 5 students that have taken the class of they usually do this. So that's really great.
Okay. So
Okay.
do you provide recording session?
Yes,
To
you'll get a recording session. After I am also recording this session, I'll give it to the administration of English Talkie, and they'll provide you that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So there's any procedure to approve for this or not? Is there any
Actually,
procedure for asking,
I
for
don't think
taking?
there's separate procedure. I guess you just have to ask him for that. I believe so. Actually, no one has asked me this before, but that's my daily job. After my class, I record. During my class, I record my session and I send it to them after every class. So
Okay,
you can
but
just ask it.
who will send me the recording of this session then?
So okay, you must have the email, right? Email of English Talkie.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you can just mail it to them. I guess they'll give you.
Okay.
All right. And I guess yes, that's fine. You can just ask it to them. No worries. Anyways, so moving on. All right, you have a YouTube channel, right? So that's your hobby. And any other thing, any other hobby or any interest?
Yes, so normally I just want to do dance, singing, that everyone like to listen song.
All right, dance, singing. So so what type of dance do you really do?
Actually, wherever any program is there in school, I used to participate.
Okay, in schools. All right. So that's very nice. And about songs?
Child, from childhood only. Means now also I am in school, means as a teacher, and from childhood I used to take the participate in school level also, and now
All.
also I'm.
So was there any particular type of dance that you used to do, or any type of dance?
Actually, I just want to do that, but I could not do it. So now general dance I'm doing nowadays.
All right, casually. Very well, very well. All right,
Yeah.
Lena. So, and asked you one thing also. I asked you about an interest. So, so do you know the difference between a hobby and an interest?
Huh. Hobby and interest.
Huh? Do you know the difference?
Not exact, but I can.
Please try it. I wanted to try. Just try it out.
Okay, you can. No problem.
No worries, no worries. I'll tell you. It's usually very confusing for people whenever you ask them what are the hobbies and interests. So I'll just tell you in simple languages. Hobby is something that you pursue actively, that you regularly do. For example, if you were dancing daily, like you like to dance, so that will be called as a hobby of yours. All right. But for example, let's say singing, you like to sing, but you're not a regular singer. Like if given an opportunity, you will sing. Let's say once in a week or twice in a week. So that could be called as an interest. So a thing that you regularly do, that is your hobby. Interest is a passive one.
Oh, and interest is passive and hobby is active.
Active, yes. That's
Okay.
the difference. Very well.
Nice
So that's a new thing that you learned, right?
things, yeah. New things today I have learned. Actually hobbies and interest most of the time we feel it's similar.
Yeah, people do confuse that, but no worries. Today you have known the difference. All right, moving on. So you're from Pune, Maharashtra, right?
Yeah.
All right. So have you ever been to Delhi?
Delhi, no. Actually, when I was in law college, that educational trip, High Court.
Obviously, High Court of Delhi.
But that time, actually, what happened? My marriage engaged, so because of that, I could not attend this trip.
Because of that, you could not reach. All right, no worries. So okay,
I
let's.
wish to visit Delhi.
Yeah, you should. In fact, everyone
Yeah.
should. It's a great place. It's a
Each
historical
every
place.
time, and every time I told my husband, because of you, only I could not visit. You have to take me.
Definitely, definitely. Just stick to that. One day you will come to Delhi, definitely. All right. So you told me that you're from Maharashtra, right? And obviously you must have visited Mumbai then.
Mumbai also I did. When I
Okay,
was in
Mumbai.
fourth standard.
Come on now, you can't be serious.
Really, when I was in fourth standard, that time school picnic was there, Ranicha Bagh,
No, I don't know that.
you know that garden,
Sorry?
Ranicha Bagh.
Rani Sabag.
It is
No,
in Mumbai, na?
I've never heard that about that.
When I was in fourth standard, my fourth only. That time I visited Mumbai or
Acha,
beaches, and
okay.
but after that,
Okay, okay. Okay. So, all right. Actually, I wanted to ask you a question. That's why I was just grilling you up about Delhi and Mumbai. I had a question in my mind. But all right, tell me the name of any city, any mega city, all right, that you have visited, like Delhi,
Nasik.
Mumbai, or obviously I know Nasik. All right. Yeah, Nasik.
I'm based.
You're basically from Nasik, and currently you are living in Pune. So you're living in the main city or in the suburbs
Near Pune.
near Pune. All right, very well. All right, don't no worries. We'll just skip that question for today. All right. So actually, there's a question I usually ask to my candidates. Ask my candidates. For example, yeah, yes, I guess a day before yesterday, I also had a student from Maharashtra, and he also had visited Delhi once. So I asked him what were the differences that he noticed between Maharashtra and Delhi, the major differences. Yeah,
Mhm.
because Delhi is the capital, so obviously things are pretty much hyped up here. So, anyways, in your case, we'll not be doing that. Lina, why don't you tell me something about your family? You've just told me you're married, you have two daughters. So just tell me something more about your daughters. Come on.
Okay, my small daughter, 2.5 years old,
Two and a
and
half years old.
the elder one, she is in fifth standard, sixth.
Fifth standard. Sixth standard. All right. That's very well. Okay, Lina. So now, sorry, please.
Her name is Tanvi and small one Arvi.
Tanvi and Arvi. All right, rhyming names.
Actually, I just want to keep my second daughter's name Anvi, but I thought that they will what we can say, they will एडात काढतील मला. You know, मम्मी तन्वीला बोलवलंय or अन्वीला. So I kept Anvi.
Okay, that's nice. That's fun. That's really good. That's really good.
If I call to Tanvi, so Tanvi will say, Anvi, you go.
Okay, okay, I understand. I understand now.
I called Anvi, come here. So Anvi will say to Tanvi, Tanvi, Mama calling you, go. I do not want to come.
All right, I understand. I understand. That's fun. That's funny. Okay,
That's why I have kept Arvi.
Arvi is fine. Arvi is also good. Yeah. Okay, so now moving on to there's a question I have to ask you. Like you are already a teacher, you're already a teacher. So why do you want to learn spoken English?
Being a teacher, we must know while explaining the all factors to the students. So each and
Hmm.
everything we have to explain as an English medium school teacher. We must know. We must be fluent in our subjects, and that because of that only, I just want to. I'm working on my language. Even small things. I believe that each and every day we are learning something. If we
Yeah.
will interact more and more people, we get the more knowledge.
Yes, very well, very well. And I can tell you that you are really fine with English. You are speaking quite nice. I must say that. Yes. All
But
right.
I just want to polish my language. I believe
Hmm.
that if we will make a lot of practice, then only we can do it.
Yeah, obviously, practice makes a man perfect. You just keep on
But
doing what you're doing.
one more
Hmm.
thing I want to add is perfect practice makes a man perfect.
All right.
You also
I'll
learn
just,
from
yes,
me.
exactly. Yeah, obviously, you're also a teacher, right? So you have told me a new thing today. Practice makes a man perfect.
The proverb is practice makes man perfect. But I used to tell my students, perfect practice
Okay,
makes man
that's
perfect.
great. So you have modified.
Yeah, I have modified it.
That's great. I'll from now on I'll also say like this. Perfect practice makes a man perfect. That's great.
Do you
All
like
right.
that?
Yeah, definitely I'll say that. All right. So okay, we're done with that. And now moving on to actually, the class session is for 15 minutes, but usually I at least take the class till 20 minutes or 25 minutes. But we actually today we started late, so I'll have to wind up in 20 minutes because I've got a class just after that. All right. So all right. So is there anything that you want to ask me?
Yes, I just want to ask you from where we will get more no, information of your what is the name?
English
Ingtaki.
talk. English, you can call it English talkie.
Ingtaki. I don't know the how to pronounce ENG and TALK. No, Ingtaki.
Uh,
What
Eng talkie, or
pronunciation?
you can just say English talkie. English talkie.
Okay, English talkie. So from where we get the more information of that?
What type of information?
So what is the slot and what is the price of one
Okay, okay.
slot?
Under that, no, I'll tell you. I'll just tell you. So you have seen the website of English talkie. You'll go
Ha,
there. Upon if you're using a phone on, do you use a phone or laptop?
both sometime.
Both. So yeah, on your phone you will see there are three lines on top of the page, and there you will see your options. There's a column called as plan and pricing. If you click that, you will get all the plans. For example, monthly plans. I guess one plan is for 1500, and another one is for at something. So you'll get different number of classes for different number of plans. So more
Okay.
the price of the plan, more the number of classes. And regarding your tutors, you can choose any tutor that you want. For example, like today you chose me, right, Mayank Sharma. So you clicked on my name, and you'll get the time slots that I offer. Different teachers have different time slots. For example, one teacher might have, if you click his or her name, and then you will see he has got a time slot of 4 to 5 p.m. Just like that. Click the name of the teacher and choose a time slot. I have got different time slots. Different teachers have different time slots. So that's the way. All right.
Okay.
Anything else you want to ask me
No, I just want to ask now about yourself.
about me?
From Delhi. Yeah, you are from Delhi.
All right. So why don't you specify what exactly you want to know about me?
Means you are just doing only law or any profession side by side, or just taking education?
Actually, I'm just 23 years old right now, and I'm in the first year of my law. I'm pursuing my law from Delhi University.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Yeah, so I've done my graduation in BSc Zoology. Zoology is a part of biology. You must be knowing that. So
So
currently, I'm a student.
how is LLB? Hard, or
I've just started it. Just started it.
actually when we were there, no, we feel very tough.
Definitely, if if I get any problem or something, I've got an email ID. I'll definitely message you for help.
Okay, okay,
Yeah, I've just started it, so I'm not exactly aware of the situation. So in a month or two, I'll get a better idea about it, about LLB.
okay, okay. And how you have improved your English speaking?
How have
Miss,
I improved my English speaking? All right, I'll tell you. Actually, I believe I've been speaking English for a long time now. Basically, if I have to tell you the trick or the way that I improved my English was obviously through conversations. You get a practice. You get to practice a lot. And second thing which I recommend to all of the people is make a habit to read. Start reading books
Mhm.
as much as possible. As much as possible. Books will help you throughout it. 50% of the work will be done by having a conversation, and 50% of the task will be done by reading books. So make a habit to read.
Mhm. Actually, I just want to tell my viewers, so how they will improve their English.
Yeah, I've told you. So you just have to post that.
That only.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So, Alina, actually, we are running short on time. Obviously, your confidence is pretty much good. It's like even better than me. Your
No, no,
fluency is
no.
no, no. I'll just be honest. So it's quite good. Your fluency is fine. Your grammar is also your grammar is, I'd say, 9 out of 10. You were pretty much fine all through the class, but be corrected. No issues there. You're already a teacher. So with the time and practice, perfect practice, you'll achieve it. So I guess that's all I have to say. You're not a hard student to deal with. Give it a 4 to 5 months of practice and you'll be perfect. Take it from me.
Okay.
All
Yes.
right, Lena. So that was all from my side. It was nice having conversation with you. Anything you want to say? Last words?
No, it's very feel nice with you.
All right, very well. So I hope to see you again in future. All
Definitely.
right. All right. So goodbye, Lena. All
Yeah,
right.
same
Good
to
night.
you.
Thank
Bye.
you very
Good
much.
night.